Marijuana or cannabis is a completely natural plant with no chemicals or man-made substance involved at all. Many places around the world, such as the UK, is classed as illegal, but now many places such as Colombia, Costa Rica, Czech Republic and Ecuador have legalised it, as well as many states in America, such as Washington, Alaska, California and Colorado. But why is it legal there and not here? In England, there's strong support for legalising the sale of cannabis through licensed shops. A poll from The Independent shows that 47% of people back the idea, or 39% of people oppose it and 14% aren't sure, according to the survey of 2,000 people. Now people are tired of wasting resources and arresting hundreds of thousands of individuals each year for using a substance that's safer than alcohol. Prison cells are containing people that's using this, and it's safer than smoking as well, yet they are legal. The vast amount of money spent on housing these prisoners can be spent elsewhere, such as the NHS or education. It's also proven there's 114 times less damaging than alcohol. It's also got many medical benefits that change people's lives forever. One example of this would be a 6-year-old called Jaden. He experienced seizures routinely. Before he started taking a liquid form of marijuana, he couldn't walk, eat solid food or take a bath. He has Dravet syndrome and has triggered seizures so frequent that 44 times he's been rushed to hospital in an ambulance. His doctors prescribed 22 anti-seizure pills a day, which controlled his seizures, but he still couldn't walk. For the first time since Jaden was 4 months old, he went through an entire day without a seizure. Now he can run, play at parks and go swimming as well. In the UK, around 2014-2015, there was an estimated 1.1 million hospital admissions related to alcohol consumption, and there's also an average of 2.5 million years of life lost overall. Smoking has 480,000 deaths per year on average, and also a smoker dies 10 years earlier on average. Marijuana has caused no deaths, and this shows how much less of a threat to people it is. There's also many drugs such as cocaine, heroin and alcohol that are worse for you as well. These drugs can damage your brain and cause you to do irresponsible things and lose your common sense and judgment too. Therefore, these drugs can cause death. Also, many people call marijuana a gateway drug, but test proved this to be wrong. When they gave the drug to 100 people, only 9% used more heavy drugs. Also, the majority that went on to heavy drugs were also addicted to smoking alcoholics. People may say it's addictive too, but a company also tested on 100 people that smoked it every day for 6 years. They discovered that not only was there no damage to their lungs, a very small minority of the participants were addicted to it as well. So in conclusion, the positives of it far outweigh the negatives, and if it's legal in many places, why not here too? There are many more like Jaden's whose life will be changed due to this, but only if it's legalised.
If weed is legalised, would it be a substitute or a complement to alcohol?
I believe it would be a substitute for it. If it was a complement, it wouldn't be as good. But now it's substituting it, less people drink alcohol, which lowers the people in hospitals.
Would the streets look like Amsterdam if it was legalised?
I don't believe they would. Because it's only legalised in one place, the majority of people go there just to do that solely on its own. If it was legalised, more people would do it in their own time and do it less, because there's more hype surrounding it doing it there.